Hey there, I'm Hannah Harris and I am launching my very first album. I play the fiddle and I also sing in an Irish traditional style. I've been playing the violin for a little over 20 years now, and I perform regularly in my local Northern Michigan community. However, I've also spent a lot of time studying this music in my native home state of North Carolina, as well as in Cork, Ireland. So you'll hear a lot of Appalachian and Slave Lucra influences in my music. After all of this, I've decided that it's time to get on the traditional music community radar. I love to perform, I love to teach, but most of all, I love to learn from and connect with fellow musicians as well as lovers of the traditional music community. I want to bring my music to you. I want to come to your city, play at your festival, connect with you in your hometown. And in order to do this, I feel like it's only fair if I have some sort of physical product to offer you. It has long been a dream of mine to release an album, not for any sort of overnight success or going viral or saying this is the biggest project I'm ever going to do in my life. No, I don't believe that. I think that this is more of a mile marker, of a way to celebrate how far I've come as well as how much I have yet to learn, friends that I've met and friends that I have yet to connect with, that sort of thing. So with all of that being said, it takes a lot to produce an album. Now I'm covering all of the recording expenses. In fact, I've actually spent a good deal of time in the studio already. So once the recording, mixing, and mastering is done, there's still a lot more that goes into making a CD into a reality. There is the physical printing, there is graphic design for the cover art and the booklet, there's digital platform fees, shipping, taxes, any other unexpected expenses, and there's the big guy, which is advertising and promoting so that my music can reach more of you in my ideal community. Since this album is both a celebration and a chance to meet more of you in this wonderful community, I want to give you a chance to help me bring this album into the world. I am offering a variety of perks, from early digital downloads to signed CDs to virtual or in-person hangouts, house concerts, and more. You can look at this as sort of a pre-order. This project has fixed funding, which means that at the end of 30 days, if I have not reached my target goal, then I don't get to keep any of these funds and none of the stuff I just told you about gets to happen. So I will be keeping you updated throughout on social media, my email list, as well as the Indiegogo campaign of how close we are to reaching the goals, what I'm up to in the studio and the album process, and I'll also give you a chance to get to know me a little bit better as well. So make sure you're following along with me there. Now, go browse through rewards and pick your favorite one, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to welcome you as a contributing member to this very special project.